Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to turn any Notion page into a reusable template that you or anyone else can duplicate with just a click. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know 2 easy methods to make your layouts in Notion copy-ready. Whether you're sharing with friends or keeping organized with daily logs, project plans, or anything else you reuse often. So let's dive in and make those Notion pages work smarter for you. First, let's start with the most straightforward way, publishing your page as a template so others can duplicate it. If you've already set up your Notion page just the way you want, maybe it's a weekly planner, a meeting notes template, or a habit tracker, head up to the top right where you'll see the Share button. Click that, and you'll get a list of options for sharing or publishing your page. Now, click on Publish to make your page available on the web. Here comes the key step. Look for the option that says Allow Duplicate as Template. Make sure to enable this. What this does is let anyone with access to your shared link make a copy of your page right into their own workspace, with all your formatting, headings, properties, and content perfectly intact. It's a lifesaver if you're collaborating on routines or just want to share your structure without worrying about someone accidentally editing your original. If you don't see this option right away, don't worry. Sometimes Notion updates the interface, so it might take a moment to spot it, but it's usually right there in the Publish as Share dialog. Once you toggle it on, test it yourself. Open your Publish link in another browser or Notion account, and you should see a handy duplicate button. That's it. The page is now a live template anyone can use. Now, let's cover a second method, building a button that creates a ready-made template page with one click, right inside your workspace. This way is fantastic for workflows that you want to use yourself over and over, like making a new diary entry, starting a fresh project page, or collecting notes in a consistent format. On your Notion page, type /button to create what's called a button block. Think of this button as a mini tool that can perform a simple task for you, like a shortcut or a recipe. Set up a new action for your button. For our template, choose Insert Block, then type a page to add a new page as the action. Once this page is created, spend a little time customizing it. Give it a welcoming title, maybe My Diary for a journaling template. Add an icon for a spark of personality. Upload a cover image if you like that visual pop. And set up properties like tags, date, or anything you want to track inside each new page. Done with your setup? Here's the magic. Whenever you or anyone else clicks that button, Notion will instantly create a new page with all the elements you just designed. Every single time you get a fresh template page ready to use. This is powerful if you're a fan of automation or want to make your workspace super efficient. It's almost like giving Notion a Create New Project button, and you can make as many different buttons as your workflow needs. So, there you have it. 2 straightforward ways to turn any Notion page into a template, whether for sharing with others or duplicating for yourself on demand. Play around with both methods and see which suits your style best. And as always, if you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips to add, and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion guides and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy templating!